arms, ready to do what they gotta do. Did the sister send a letter?
Yeah, from the Rastafari.
So what happened is there is a Haile Selassie Foundation for Law and Society. It's based in New York. It's made up of Rasta lawyers, brethren and sisters who are lawyers. And so when they heard of that thing, they wrote a letter to the Ivorian government. You see, in Africa, when something happens and somebody from somewhere talks on, the African government sit up. So those are some of the pressure that I and I as Rastafari, as the Rastafari Continental Council, can bring to bear. Finally, what I'll say is power respects power. Islam came into the world like 1,000-something years ago. Christianity came into the world 1,000-something years ago. Pentecostal, all that. So you see, when politicians won't touch Muslim or Christian, they are afraid. I'm lying? Je comprends? Yes. So the moment society sees that Rastafari is organized, and they are not just one, they are not just two, they are not just in Kokodi, but they are in Boake, they are in Gogoro, they are in Korogo,
Yes, I.
they are in Yamoussoukro,
Yes, I.
they are in Yopougon.
You fear now.
You understand? You see, Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah said, organization decides everything.
Rastafari. Stand.
You see, Ayana as Rasta, we've been too separate. That is why the brethren is talking about the things he's talking about. In Ghana, we have a proverb. They say, you know, broom, the one you take sweep. You can separate it and break all. But if you put all the broom together, cannot break it. That is the lesson for Rastafari. As long as they know you don't belong to any Rasta organization, you know, when they catch you, nobody go come there. But the moment they know, say if they touch one, they touch everybody, they'll take it more serious.
Respect.
À cette question, il a répondu en disant que ici, lorsque un de nos frères a été attaqué par la police et on lui a même coupé les locks, c'est l'ensemble de Rastafari qui s'est senti touché. Et c'est l'ensemble de Rastafari qui a décidé de prendre position. La première chose qui a été faite, c'est qu'il existe la fondation Haile Selassie des hommes de loi. C'est-à-dire les avocats Rastafari se sont reconstitués dans cette organisation. Ils ont aussitôt écrit au gouvernement ivoirien. Et lorsque un gouvernement se rend compte que de l'extérieur on le regarde, c'est-à-dire que ce n'est pas juste une personne qui l'a touché, mais que c'est un ensemble, il réagit différemment. Le pouvoir respecte le pouvoir. Donc il faut que Rastafari s'unisse pour être un pouvoir. Il a cité un proverbe ghanéen qui dit que quand on prend une des tiges d'un balai, on la prend, on la casse pas facilement. Mais dès qu'on met toutes les tiges ensemble, on peut essayer avec toute la force, on n'arrive plus à casser le balai.